Today we shall be studying chemical industries. Studying chemical industry? Is that strange? Not at all. Why do you think so? It is because we have so many chemicals around us and we interact with them every day. These chemicals include paste for brushing the teeth, Dettol, which is a disinfectant, liquid soap, powdered detergents, bath soap, perfumes, salts, washing hair shampoo, and even drugs. All these are chemicals which we use every day. So you see, chemicals are all around us. Now, what are the raw materials that chemical industries use? Chemical industries require some basic materials to start up their production. These materials include air. Air is needed to produce nitrogen and oxygen. Nitrogen and oxygen are the major constituents of air. So, air is a raw material in chemical industries. Air can be separated into its constituents by a process known as distillation, fractional distillation of air. The nitrogen gotten from air is very important as it is the raw material for the manufacture of ammonia. Ammonia, being a very important raw material, is used for the manufacture of trioxynitrate 5 acid, that's HNO3. Ammonia is also used for the manufacture of a salt called ammonium trioxynitrate 5, that is NH4NO3, and so many other chemicals. Ammonia is also used for the manufacture of sulfuric acid, that is tetraoxosulfate 6 acid, H2SO4. Let us look at another raw material called calcium carbonate, CaCO3, also known as limestone. Limestone, being calcium carbonate, is a raw material for chemical industries. It is used for the manufacture of calcium oxide for making cement and concrete. You can see the picture. Another raw material for chemical industries is sulfur. Sulfur is used in the manufacture of tetraoxosulfate 6 acid, H2SO4. Tetraoxosulfate 6 acid is a very important raw material in chemical industries for producing paints, dyes, and also for car batteries. Other raw materials include coal, iron ore, petroleum. Let's talk about the classification of chemicals. I want you to know that chemicals are broadly classified into heavy chemicals and fine chemicals. Heavy chemicals are produced in very large quantities. They are used as raw materials or starting materials for other chemical production. Fine chemicals are produced in small quantities and are made to a very high degree of purity for special purposes. Heavy chemicals are cheap, while fine chemicals are expensive. Examples of heavy chemicals include sulfuric acid, that is tetraoxosulfate 6 acid, ammonia, trioxynitrate 5 acid, that is HNO3, sodium hydroxide, metallic ores such as iron ore. These are the examples of heavy chemicals. They are produced in very large quantities by industries, and they all act as starting materials, as raw materials to produce other chemicals. Now, let's look at examples of fine chemicals. Examples of fine chemicals include silver nitrates, that is AgNO3, dyes, potassium permanganate, that is potassium tetraoxomanganate 7. These are examples of fine chemicals. They are produced in very small quantities. They are expensive, and they are produced for specific purposes like chemical analysis in the laboratory, like dyes, and also they are used in the manufacture of drugs. Alright, now let us look at types of industries. What are the types of industries that we have? Number one, we have the fertilizer industry. They are the industries that produce fertilizer used in agriculture. For example, the NPK fertilizer, which contains nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium as its main constituents. We have the paint industry. We have the cement industry. We have the plastic industry, and we have the pharmaceutical industry. I hope you have learned a lot about chemical industries. Please do remember to like this video, to share, subscribe, and leave a comment. I will see you next time. Bye.